Okay, and I think we're going to go live in a couple of seconds. Okay, we're getting ready here. Today we're here from Mile High Station. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jesus. I'm the director of membership for the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. As you guys know, we have our daily podcast, a daily radio show, but we also have special visits with specific individuals in the community, leaders in the community, leaders in business, individuals who make a difference for our Hispanic community as a whole. And today we are here at a very special event. We promised you earlier that we were going to have a few other interviews today. And today we have a great person here in front of us. His name is Ben Walter. Ben, how you doing?
Very good. Very nice to be with you, Jesus.
Let me tell you, he is the CEO of Chase Business Banking. But I'm going to let him introduce himself and tell us a little about what you do for Chase. What's your role in Chase? And I know that is directly connected to what is going on today.
Yeah, that's right, Jesus. So I'm the CEO of Chase Business Banking, which is our banking services for all small businesses in the United States. From the very first dollar, from the day you start your business, all the way up until you have 20, 30 million in sales and more, and you graduate to be a commercial banking client. So we're here to support small businesses as they start, run, and grow their businesses all across the country and right here in Denver.
And it is great to have you guys here today in this amazing event. Can you please tell us a little more about what Chase is and why you guys decided to do it here in downtown, I want to say the heart of Metro Denver?
Of course, yeah. So we call this the Experience Denver. We've picked 3 cities around the country that showed really, really strong small business growth and where we had an opportunity to serve our clients better. And Denver came right to the top of the list, so we're thrilled to be here. The Experience is a chance for small business owners across the community to come together at this beautiful station. This is lovely, by the way. I've never been to this place before. It's beautiful. And spend a chance doing 3 things. Networking, building new relationships, building their skill set. So we have all kinds of resources here for small businesses. They can get coaching on how to be better at digital, better at social media. People can get free headshots and to learn about other small businesses in the community. So we're represented by some of our clients here. They're giving out their products to the people who join us today. And we'll hear from some spectacular speakers that we're able to get. So our goal today is to take Chase, which is the largest bank in the country, and bring the power of Chase and everything we can do to all of the small businesses in the Denver community.
I love that. So empowering our businesses to grow.
That's right.
Perfect. And as you know, our chamber represents the interests of many, I want to say, Hispanic-owned businesses, as well as those who are not Hispanic, but they want to do business with our community. Our chamber, I want to say today, is becoming a little more relevant than ever before. The fact is that we have more Hispanics opening businesses. We have a lot more Hispanics in town. Right now, we have, I believe, the purchasing power is about $40 billion per year, and we have over 100,000 Hispanic-owned businesses. It doubled during COVID to now. It doubled the amount of businesses opening per year. Banking, I believe, is one of those pillars of business. They say that if you're going to have a business, you better have a good banker.
That's right.
A good attorney, a good accountant. But banking is so important. Can you please share with us why is it so important that Chase is not only doing this event to educate or kind of guide our businesses to take them to the next level, but also why folks should pay more attention to these kind of activities and also take advantage of what you are offering today. I believe you have free consultations as well.
We do, yep. So there's lots of people can take advantage of. So let me say a couple of things. First of all, it's great to speak directly to the Hispanic community. We have a long history at Chase of building our relationships with that community. And in fact, we have a first-of-its-kind program across the country, including here in Denver, to help address what historically has been a gap in credit availability for small business owners of color, including Hispanic. And we've rolled out something called the Special Purpose Credit Program, which is designed to make credit more accessible to the communities who historically have found it harder to get. So let me say that first. Second, when we think about the success, when I think about small business success, it really means 2 things to me. It means growth and it means resilience. And you have to have both because it can't always, the sun doesn't always shine. It shines a lot here in Denver, but still not every day. And there are 3 things that we see across the country that small businesses need to be successful. The first is access to financial capital. That's where banks come in. But the second two are just as important, and that's access to knowledge capital and access to network capital. So if you think about small businesses, they need money as a resource, but connections, customers, know-how, those are all resources too. And our goal here today is to help customers get all three of those, because we know statistically across the country, when businesses report having strong networks of capital, strong networks for knowledge and communities, they report better results. They are stronger, they grow faster, and they're more resilient in tougher times.
Excellent. And we're going to try to translate all of this into Spanish today. We have a ratio to 10 p.m. because we have a good amount of Hispanics that either speak Spanish or they prefer to speak Spanish.
Hablo solamente un poquito de español.
Perfecto. Entonces, la pregunta ahora, déjenme les digo que vamos a estar traduciendo todo esto en español para que la gente que también tiene su negocio, que nos escucha todos los días por la radio, por la 97.7 FM y la 1280 AM, también tenga la oportunidad de conocer un poquito a Chase, si no lo ha conocido. Si ya lo conoce, pues venga y pueda también tener esta experiencia que le llaman la experiencia en Denver. It is an experience. I love that they chase the experience, almost like chase the dream, right?
That's right. That's our mission as a company, is to make dreams possible. We do that every day. We do that across the country. We do it across the world, and we do it. The most important thing I want people to take away about for Chase is that we are the biggest biggest bank in the country, and the biggest business bank in the country. Every client is an individual client who deserves individual service, and we're here for businesses from that very first dollar all the way up, and that's the power of Chase.
Thank you. And you have I want to say, if you want to talk to our membership, what would you say to our membership so they know what Chase is all about?
I would say that Chase wants to be here for you. We want to be here for small business. We are champions of small business. We know how hard it is. When you run a small business, you're the CEO and you're the floor sweeper, and you're everything in between. And our job is to do our job well and fade into the background and give you the support you need to do what you do best, which is to run your business.
Senor, gentlemen, thank you so much. We sincerely appreciate you. Want to say thank you for being a member of our chamber, but not only for being a member of our chamber, as I said earlier, but for being engaged in our community, to really get involved in our community through actions, not just words, but through actions. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Stay tuned. We have a couple more interviews, and we're going to show you. We're going to go around and shoot a little bit of video so that we can share with those who are on the other side of the screen what is going on here. And if you haven't been able to experience anything like this, please come join us. Let me show you. I think we have right now on the screen the website where you can learn more and get registered. And we're here at Mile High Station, right at the heart of Denver, right next to the Broncos station. The Broncos Stadium. And once again, welcome to Denver. We look forward to seeing you again here in, I want to say, our casa is tu casa.
Awesome. Thank you very much for having me. Have a great day.
Thank you. You as well. Stay tuned.